Have you ever created a macro in Excel? And when you opened your Excel file again to run it, it was gone. Don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'll show you the easiest way to save your macros rightly, so you never lose them again. We have created a macro, namely formatting sales report, by converting this unformatted report into this sample formatted report. For knowing how this macro was created, click the I button at the top right side of the screen, and watch the relevant chapter of the given video. For viewing this macro, click Developer tab, then click Macros tab. On Macro dialog, you would find this macro. Now we are all set to save the macro. Click on Save button. A dialog box will appear, which provides two options. If you click Yes tab, the workbook will be saved as macro-free workbook, with extension XLSX, and the macro will not be saved. Since we intend to save the macro, click No tab. On the Save As window, type of file is being shown as Excel Workbook. If we choose this file type, the macro will not be saved. In order to save the macro, we need to change the file type to Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. To do so, click this down arrow. Then select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. Now file type has changed to Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. Select the folder in which you would save macro. I am selecting Documents folder. Then press Save button. The macro has been saved. Open Documents folder, you would find two Excel files. First file is the macro enabled file, which was saved moments ago. Right-click this file, and then click Properties. On the next dialog, the type of file is mentioned as Microsoft Excel Macro Enabled Worksheet, with extension XLSM. Close the dialog.